Talafalava, Samoan chef here. Yeah, maloso ifuan ne yaso. Yeah, oh my, how are you today? Yeah, cooker time with Samoan chef. Yeah, what's cooking? You know, today, let me take you back to the island today. Let's go back to the island today, to a beautiful island of Samoa, the pride of the Pacific, man. So I want to show you guys today that we got some good stuff in Samoa, man. Let's start with the breakfast. Breakfast, we call it in Samoa, maluor tayao, ia porki or kayao, ia pe breakfast your kayao. Anyways, let me take you back to the island of Samoa today with some buffet breakfast, big breakfast, one of the places. So we got some good stuff in Samoa, man. So if you're planning to go to Samoa, don't forget to check out these places. And if you're living in Samoa, man, make time. Anyways, but I want to show you guys today that big breakfast, with buffet breakfast with Taumeasina Island Resort. Yeah, Taumeasina Island Resort. They got some good breakfast down there. So if the breakfast is good down in Taumeasina, man, oh my gosh, what about lunch and dinner? So I'm just showing you today the breakfast down there. So if you're planning to go to Samoa, head down to Taumeasina Island Resort. They got a big island breakfast down there and buffet as well. And also, if you're living in Samoa, you know, local in Samoa, make time to go down there, man. Take your parents down there, take your brothers down there, your family, your kids, your children. Take your wife down there, take your girlfriend down there, man. So yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and like this channel so we get some more stuff. But today, let's go to Samoa.